everyone, it's Thursday, and you know what that means. It's
Dropping Crafts with Amy!
And today, we are going to do a family craft. We are going to make a time capsules, and so many things have been going on in the last couple of months. You can get any kind of box or cardboard tube. You can even use a Tupperware, anything with a cover on it. And you're going to decorate it. I decorated mine with wrapping paper. You can decorate it with wrapping paper, with newspaper, with magazines, with tissue paper, with whatever you have in the house. And then I'm going to show you, you're going to find things around the house that you've done this summer already. I'm going to show you what I have in mine. Mine was a shoebox, and I'm going to open it up, and I have all the crafts that we made this summer together. One day I went to a duck pond and I watched the ducks in the lake. I've done a lot of gardening in my backyard. I've played tennis, ping pong, and I've been outside in the sun with my sunglasses on. I've also painted, read books, and we can't forget this, wore masks all summer and maybe into the fall, and wore gloves. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to take all those special memories that everyone in your family has had, and you're going to put it into the box like this. You each could have your own box if you wanted. You're going to seal it up, and then I took a piece of string, if you have in the house, and I am going to tie the string around my box. I'm going to tie a bow and a knot so no one could open it up before the time is to open it up. I wrote today's date on my box, July 2nd, 2020. My time capsule, you can write the Resnikov's time capsule, you can write your name time capsule, and then I'm going to open up my time capsule the first of the new year. So January 1st, 2021, I'm going to open up my time capsule, and I'm going to see everything that I did for the last 6 months. So go find all your little things, get your boxes, get your tubes, get whatever you have, and start filling up the box and closing it up for the next 6 months. We'll see you all next week for Drop In Craft. Bye.